Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to show like counts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram app. You can see on my Instagram, there's no like count on post. On this post, on the other post, we can see the number of like from that post. To show the like count, you can tap on your profile and then tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on like and share count. The toggle to hide like and share count is activate. You can unactivate the toggle by tapping on the toggle like this. Now you can go back from the settings, refresh the feed, refresh the page, and we see now the like counts is appear on the post, on this post. Now you can see the like counts, the number of likes from the other post. So that is how to show like counts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!